Optimizer helps you to identify that what are the current issues in your page and will also help you to fix those issues. So first what we'll do is we'll click on optimize and we'll see the SEO score of this particular page. I see that my top score of one of my competitor is 83, which means that I should try to achieve a score which is better than 83 to perform better than the top competitor. There are certain list of issues here that are already there in my page. So what I'll do is, what we've built is auto optimizer. So once you click on auto optimize, it will take you to a 4-step process wherein it will auto optimize your blog. So here we start with auto optimization. First step is to include topic gaps. So once you're writing some content, there could be certain topics that you could be missing out. So what you can do is we give you the top URLs. You can choose the top 3 from where you want AI to take references from. Or if you have any custom URL, you can also type add custom URL. So there could be certain competitors who are writing really good content on website optimization, and you want AI to verify some of the factual information from there. So you can also add that particular custom URL here and click on update. Include key terms in my content. So you can manage the keywords here. You can select the keywords that you would like to include, or you can also unmark the keywords that you would like to remove. Fix meta tags. So you can fix meta title, meta description, URL permalink. You can also fix alt text. So yes, to answer your question, we have this option to fix the image alt text here. And you can also enable interlinking. So when you enable interlinking, you'll have to give us the GSC access of your domain so that we can do interlinking for your existing blog. Once these inputs are given from your end, we'll move to the next step, which is optimize my outline. Okay, here is asking me to select a domain to optimize it. So I'll just select our domain here and I'll click on start. You can also add multiple domains here. So let's suppose you have multiple websites. So you will add multiple domains here. Now the next step, you click on optimize my outline. So what it will do here, it will show you the top 10 ranking outlines. It will show you all the headings and subheadings your competitors are ranking for. So this section, if you see, you are able to see the top ranking outlines for the keyword website optimization. And you will also be able to see some of the questions that people have frequently asked on channels like Google, Quora, Reddit, and so on. So if you see here, my old outline is there. We have made changes. We have modified some of the headings and optimized them well. We have added some of the new headings. So wherever you see new written, like if you see here new, these are some of the missing topics that we have added to your existing content. So we have automatically done that for you. All you need to do is you need to review them once. Once you feel, okay, this outline is good to go, what you will do is the next step would be, the final step would be is to generate content. And at this point of time, what AI will do is it will start fixing out all the keywords that are missing in your content. So at this point of time, it is going through your existing content, identifying what are the issues are there, what are the missing keywords, are your headings and subheadings properly optimized, are the new topics that we have added have relevant keywords in it. So all of that is taken care of, and then we generate the final draft of your blog. Now we follow all the SEO guidelines so that your content gets Google is never penalizing your content. We ensure that your content is 100% unique. So whatever new things that we add to your content, we ensure that we are adding more uniqueness to your content. We ensure that your content is helpful content. So, we make sure that we create content that aligns with what Google wants. So once that's done, you'll be able to, see the refreshed version here. So here is a more refreshed version of my content. So it was quite a long blog and a lot of editing is being done here. and finally we export it to the editor.